Yo, hello people. We are just starting. I think we just have some fun. Tonight, I'm going to spend my time to just drive myself into a random knowledge. If I say I'm talking about a random knowledge whereby any one of you can grab it for free. So you know something? Sometimes it's good for us to realize that when you want to give out to the society, just teach the society. You understand? So I'm trying to do something today. So let's go and see what we can do today. Actually, I want to see what I can do today. I don't know actually what I'm going to do, but let's see what I can do today. So I'll pick in one of my favorite things I can do. So is it video? Do you want to learn how to make video? Do you want to learn how to code? Okay, I think many people knows how to make video clips. They know how to edit video. So let's keep that one. But most of the thing is that most of our brothers and sisters in Africa, they don't know much about the technology. Yes, they don't know much about the technology. This is true. So I'm trying to put all these things together so that I'll use my little skills in technology. So let's go and browse let me see what would be more useful today. So let me go and see what will be useful today. Don't sleep because we are not sleeping today. Let me see what will be more useful. Let me see what will be more useful. So today we are going to learn something. If you know that you want me to teach something, just write it down there. Anything, but not everything. Not anything. I'm not teaching to go and steal, so not everything. So what do you want me to teach? Tell me. All all you want to do is to just tell me. Just tell me. What do you want us to teach today? So now we go to our browser. Today I go to my browser and I want to know something. So today let's talk about a little bit much about coding. Let's code a little bit about code. So I just go to my browser. I don't know what I'm going to code today. I don't know what I'm going to teach today. That is the issue. What I want to teach you people. What am I to teach? Okay, let's do something. There are things that many people don't know. So let's do that one. Let's use this computer to, instead of building something big, big something small, right? Many people want to go live on YouTube, Facebook. I want to make blogging and they don't know what to do, right? This is one of the things. So I'll take you through how to make those things, but not today again. So I'll take you through something else. If you can hear me, just write down there. I'll take you guys through something else. Something very cool. Something cool. Yeah, something cool. So what am I going to do? It's a tech day. So okay, let me see what I can do actually. Okay, let's say I don't have a web designer, so I want to design a website, right? You want to just design a website. So let me see what I have. Boom. This one is too much. So we go little by little because this is something working on and boom, if I do this, boom, you know what you see what this is what I'm doing, but now not yet ready, so let's forget about that one. Okay, last time in my topic I taught you people how to search on internet and get some blah 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 and things. Today I'm going to just teach you how to put your internet freely on the internet, your website freely on the internet rather, not internet freely on the internet. So let's start with a new project here. By the way, what I'm using to do my editing, let me go to the scratch. What I'm using to make my editing, you can take different, we have different type of things that I use for editing. you can really, some people are using, what do you call it? Some people would prefer to use many applications, IDE, we call them IDEs, okay, for for Python. You see, just even look at the list. We have IDE for Python, IDE for Java, IDE for C, for Geo, for JavaScript, and blah blah blah. Then it goes and goes and goes and goes on. So today I wanted us to use some Python, right? Well, Python is here. So we have PyCharm, which is one of the Python IDEs. We have something called PyCharm. You know, PyCharm is used, I have it already, so I'm not going to download it again. It's used for writing code on Python. So if those of you, but this one is, it has a price. Okay. So it's a very good one, but it has a price, and we have monthly billing, and then we have annually, yearly billing. And we have for a kind of special offers and other thing for students and other things, so you can get also PyCharm. So let's go and see other IDs. Let's talk about Tim. Tony is also an ID that is so simple to run Python code. When you write your Python code with Tony, you can easily run a Python code, And we have Visual Studio, Visual Code Studio, Visual Code Studio 2 is good for running Python. But today I'll use a Tony because it's also so simple and it has no wahala. So I like today to use Tony. Just open my project. So Tony, stop opening my project. I need to open my project. So we go. Am I going deeper? Let's go. Let's get in Tony. Tony. Remember the word Tony. And then someone will say, hey, Tony. Where's my browser going? Yeah. So here we go. Oh, good. It's good. It's good. It's good sometimes to share the knowledge, but it's hard to grab it sometimes. Uh-oh. No, I said Tony. I didn't say Webster. Sorry. Here is my Tony. Hey, Tony. You see? How do you call it? Tony or Tony. By the way, let's do something. Okay, let's say here is just a kind of strings. Here another blah blah blah. You know, these are kind of things are done. So in Python, one thing that makes Python so easy for you to use is one thing right here. Okay, in Python language, it's like English language. That's one thing. Let's go to the basics of Python. Python language just like an English language, whereby when you're coding it, all you have to know your algorithms, what you want to do. Let's say I want to call a certain, let me say I want to call a certain a variable. In Python, we have variables and many. Let's say I want a variable. So I say Ghana, okay, is equal to what? This one declaring a variable. And it's not like JavaScript and other languages that you have to sometimes put some var or put some dollar sign and other stuffs. And even JSON, you have to put some dollar signs to assign the, in JSON, no, sorry. So in Python, we don't put them. So I just say, what do you want to say? In Python have different type of a simple way, or rather not different, a simple way of writing your code. So in Python, I say Ghana is called to, what do you say? Ghana is called to Accra. So here, for me to see Accra, like in PHP, for you to see the Accra, you write other way around. In PHP, we write other way around. So for me to see the Accra here, let's say print what? Accra, right? So print Ghana rather. If I say print Ghana, Ghana, and if I run it, okay, we run code. So if I run the code, this one tells me to save it all the time. Oh, why? So this one will have something we call an error. You see, I ran it wrongly. Tell me why it is wrong. So in Python, that is how it goes. You know, here I'm wrong because what? There's something I did not declare. Okay? It's not defined. So this one here is called a string. But I rather made it to become what? I made it to become I think a number, integer. But integer are those that doesn't have them over there. So in a string, I have to declare that it is a string. Then look at down here, it gives me Accra. So now this is Python. In Python language, all you have to know that sometimes you don't need this to I mean semicolons. Okay, two columns. You can put this one and it works the same thing. You see, it gives me Accra. Guys, it gives me Accra down here. So this is all it's about. It gives me Accra down there. And this is how Python works. So if someone tells you what language you want to learn in these days, tell them you want to learn Python. Okay, so let's go deep. So now I want to make something like I'm not teaching Python today, so you just watch it like that. I want you to look at, like, let's say, whenever somebody is buying something or other things, when you want to buy, what do you do? So let's say I want to buy banana. So I declare fruits, okay? Fruits. Okay, how do I like fruit? Let's say fruit, let me make it this way. It's equal to banana. But the fruits are many. So I wanted to make them many strings so that if someone picks something that is not inside that thing, he will not get fruit. You get it? So I take one fruit, banana. It's one fruit, then I put comma. Second fruit, what do you call it? Sorry. Okay, good. Let's close this one too. Okay. Good. Mango. Let's see something here. But remember, always something like this. Okay, let's close the mango. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. Here we go. Okay. So now, if now I say, let's say I want to declare how much is a mango. Okay. So you can declare everything like blah, 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 mango. If someone put 50 euro, he'll take mango. If someone put so we can also say input, okay, amount. Okay, let's say amount. amount, right? So I say amount is equal to what? Input. But you are going to put amount. So I'll put int. Now int first before the input. Int. Then I bring input. Okay, because I want it to be an integer, not a float number rather than an integer. So let's do this first, all right? So I say the input and I have to open another. I'm not teaching you anything, just I'm brushing around. So I say input how much, how much. Let make it in scale, right? Now let make this price how much, which is somehow cool. That's much. How much do you want to buy? Then look, I put this one, and I make this, and I make this. You know. So let's look at the magic over here. Let's put something here, Charlie. Forgive some small gap, and close this. So after closing it, let's look at what magic it will do. So now I can say, oh, I don't want it to. I can say if, what am I going to say? If amount if amount is equal to or less than, okay, less than or equal to one price, which price? Less than or equal to something, call the price 20. Therefore we call something, we have to open up, you know what I mean. Then what? If amount is equal to 20, then what? Tell me something. If amount is equal to 20, is greater, less than or equal to 20, we have to declare something, a function. Okay? Let's declare the function. So print, okay, print, let's put mango. Mm, 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 mm. How do you do this? You close it, right? So let's say something. Let's see what we do. Let's see whether we are right or we are wrong. We are wrong because mango, yeah, yeah. What is the term? What am I? So I had a mistake. Let's clear this. Do 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 do. She's sleeping. So let's let's see what we have done. What have you done wrong? Yee. Mhm. Yee. I'm not wrong here. I don't think I'm wrong. So I have to find what am I messing up with. So let me first print this. Let me see the function. Maybe I'll make a mistake with the function. Side late night when the mountain. So let's see. Let me print this. Let me print. Let me print. Okay. Print. Let's print amount. Okay. Let's see what it will give me. Print amount. So let's print the amount. Let's joke sometimes. Amount. So I'll say plus. Okay, just to give me some amount, and then I'll say this bombo clat. Is is for banana. We close it. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what you to tell us now. Why? Guess what, so what is so long? Tell me what is long. I have them in. I have them there. I don't take anybody out. Hmm. Okay. I'm usually input. Just needed it. Yeah. Hey, 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 yo. I was living back days when things you used to say, and life is cool and things are changing. Oh my God. Pum pum pum, pum 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 pum. What's wrong with my things? Okay, don't worry. Let go. Let go. Don't worry. Sometimes it gives you that thing, so don't worry about that one. So I want to put something here. Yeah, yeah. All right. All right. I think there is someone that don't want to work here, and I have to let it work, and it is not right. Let me see. Oh, good, Mister. Why do you do that? It's okay, but that is not true. Meaning about what is that? What is happening? Oh, damn it. Why not giving me what I want? How come? Okay, I think I have to change to PyCharm. I'm trying to use this free December thing, the free this thing print can. Okay, let's take here out, man, because it's let's take this one out of it and let's see what is wrong with this, man. So let's go again. Who can help me to know where I've done wrong in this my small pickly code? My small pickly code. The indentations are right, the syntax are right. Then what have I done wrong? Let me see something. Let me see something. Okay. I think we have to go from zeros. So I have to go through the 0 steps. Yeah, inputs. Did I do a mistake? Oh, right. You see, I am the bad boy over here. This is my mistake. You see, this is where I made a mistake, guys. This is where I really made a mistake because I don't have to do this mistake. So now let's try again. Eh, that is Mr. Coding for you. You see, now it's communicating with me. Oh my God. Oh, you see, just one thing that I left, it left me. It doesn't love me again. So yeah, now I just commanded this one to tell me how much do you want to buy, and he said 50. So if I say 50 and I enter this 50, it say no, something's also wrong also here. Announce is yes. Look, you have to always be careful. We have to always be careful whenever we are writing a code. So I made a mistake. It say, okay, sister is for banana. This is my code for you. This is Python. Really, you can see that I'm just doing this small thing and seems easy, right? It seems very easy, but I turn out making some bit mistakes. I go around thinking that I didn't write it well. I didn't put the syntax well. I didn't put the things well. Not that I was right, but just that I was wrong. So this is coding. It's very interesting. Sometimes very interesting when you don't pay attention. So now let's see something. Now I wanted to teach you something about index in the code. So let's say in this list I can put 54. I can put what again? I can put what? In the list I can put what? I can put strings and integers. I can put them together no matter how I want it to be. So now in this code, I want to put a giraffe. Yeah, I love a giraffe, so don't worry. I want to put a giraffe. So this a giraffe that I put there is a mistake because you have to always give them tell it that you are a string, you are not. So this is also a string. It's valid. So now if I say print fr, look at something. It's Mr. fr. They're right. I'm lazy for like words. So when I print fr, it gives me banana, mango, the number, and this thing. So now let's see something. Okay, let's pick an index from fr and print that one and on that one alone. Let's print that one. No, where am I? Oh, scheiße. No. Let's print an index. Okay. Let's pick just an index and print. Yes. There's an error. Who can tell me the error over here? So that is the error. So now let's print. Let me print something. Printing FRT, and then I want to print something in the FRT. So that thing I have to denote this one. Then I'll say zero. Look at something. If I say zero, you think it's zero. No, it no be zero. It be something where you go print. Where it looks like zero, but it no be zero. This one you don't need to be there. So let's see what prints. Banana, mango, 54, Ijura. Okay, let's see. It said it is an error. Why? It said yes, it is an error. So let's see why is it an error. So invalid syntax because something is wrong over here. So this is it. The least I did, I made a big mistake. Let me see. Why did I do mistakes? So zero. Let's go again. No, it's supposed to give me banana, but there's one thing going wrong over here. So we have to find it, right? We have to find what is missing. But sometimes some program IDs messes up with you. So the mango, let's take one. Don't tell me one is banana. No, something name. Okay. Guys, remember if you make small mistake, I made mistake here, right? Print. And nobody's telling me anything. So let's go. So I printed mango. So in this case, this is how you write the thing. So now let me write something. What should I write? What should I write? Let me write in Python. If you don't have calculator, don't worry. If you don't have calculator, just say print whatever you want to print and to print for you. So today I just brush up because I want to just talk about tech. But guys, I'm telling you, it's good to to start thinking about tech. Technology is very important. And now let's jump to another way of tech. This one is brushing. Okay. And Python is very interesting. Very, very interesting. So we have something called Kindle. Let's see the Kindle star, the Kindle, the GUI. That I'm talking about the GUI. Yeah, the GUI. Talk about the GUI. Yeah, the GUI I'm talking about right now. So let's see what the Kindle can do. The Kindle can do a lot of things. So let me see what I have the Kindle here. So let me say import. No, let's say from Kindle. Let's import. If you import the Kindle now, let's import global. Okay, import global. Global. This is the right global. So in coding, global means star. When you see star, star is a globe. So you take the word global star, so if you take star, it means so from there we can just go down. From Tikinda, we have to import something, You can say from Tikinda, import blah, blah, blah. But we import everything from Tikinda. Everything from Tikinda, everything we imported from Tikinda. So we have in Tikinda, we can have a lot of things, So what should I write here? So in Tikinda, we can have a lot of things we can do with Tikinda. Mr. Tikinda is very, very, it can let you to just make your own, what should I call it? Let me get some doc, okay? It can let you to make your own small thing. So I don't want Hello World program. Let's say, okay, let me just import a program I had before. So that I explain to you. I don't. So now let's say I want to make an application. Okay. So I start this way. I say, okay, taking the application class. Now I don't want that was too big. Let me get something basically. So what Tikinda does, but this one you have to know Python before you come to Tikinda. So let's see something. Tikinda can do a lot of things. It can use for ISN numbers, it can use for many things. You know, Python integrate with you. It's like you have integrated with everything on earth. So let's see, for example, someone wrote this program. I want to import a program. I'm just giving you guys a gist, but I don't want to import it as I want to take out this import as now I don't. So now if I run this program, okay, let me take out this syntax, my syntax, okay. If I run this, let's see what happens. It gives me a window, hello world. Look at something. I'm bringing it to you. Maybe it went another place. This thing is made by Tikinda. It is a program. So now I want to change, instead of hello world, I'll change something. So look at something down here. There's some magic happened by you. Some of you don't see it. Look at something. I want to show you some magics over here. Okay. Look, Tikinta is very interesting. This Windows was done is GUI. Okay. Graphic user interface. That's what they call GUI. Yeah. So this is done through Tikinta. So what it does is that it makes it let you to create interfaces. Like after I do my program, I say, hey, I want to put money here. If money is here, play this and you need this. Okay, then I have to put it in Tikinda. So Tikinda, now if I click here, it makes me hello world, click me. Okay, so now I can change. I can just look at where is the command. The command is found here. So first of all, what did he do? Class application, this is the frame, okay, then define, this one is a function. So they define an initiative that self master now, blah, 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 there we go. If I'm coming here, we'll finish tomorrow. So no. So that's it. So the bottom, they create a bottom. So taking the bottom, that is it here. This one was used. So if you click this, it's another button, right? But you see when hi there. So that is how it goes, and that's how it works. Shit. So whenever start going to give you, I'm sorry. Okay, so that's how it works. That's a Tikinda for you, and this one is just to do something. By the way, why am I showing you guys this kind of small petty things? It is what is changing the world now. Okay, that are things that are changing the world, and we all need to embrace it. And that is where things changes. I mean, that's where things changes, right? Did I say that? So, guys, that's what I have for you today. I know today I came very late, and it was about, oh wow, yeah, everybody must sleep, and I'm not sleeping. So, okay, guys, that's the end of today. We just did a little bit. So, if you know anything about tech, you want something to tell people, you want to also teach us something, I need you. You know, we need to, I mean, share the knowledge because you don't know when you can use it while someone needs it. So I brushed through some. Okay, let's. I brushed through some small petty things, and it's up to you. It's up to you to also put your efforts on what you want to do. You know, I love technology, and people. I love technology, and technology loves me because we are all from technology. We are everything is technology now, and so we have to embrace it. So tell me what you want to know, and next time I will bring it to your doorstep. Good night, everybody. This, uh, Today we were able to do an application. Click, and the application would tell you, "Hey, hi there," but it's by just an introduction to taking that. So you see, you click the application will say, "Hi there." So let's do it. So this is how. So let's say I want the application to say something else. I don't want to say hi there. So what should I say? So let's define say hi there. Say what hi. So let's define it. Define a function. So let's define that function again. Let's work with the function. So I want to change this. Hi. What's up? What's up? Yeah, me, me, change. This is all part of so now I want to run this. I want to run my application. You see it here. Let's close this one, okay? I want to run it again. So let's see what it will give me. Let's see what we get. It always bring the application somewhere. I don't want it to go there. Don't worry. Okay. Let me see why you use this. Okay, good. Let's go. So, okay, Carbolo. My mouse, where are you? Stop roaming around and grab me this. Okay, I have a lot of things. So guys, this is the application we did together now. So this one is just an interface. I say application, but I can change the name. Okay, you don't necessarily have to have the name as TK. Actually, you don't need. So you can change the name as you want it. So don't worry about that. Okay, you can change the root name as you want it. Some say TK, some say no TK. You can do whatever you want. So now, if look at what happens here, I want to clear this shell. Okay, look at what happened here. If I click here, it gives me a command. That command that gives is a command from what I wrote it, I told it to write. That's why when we say a robot is having a command, right? So that command or must be what? Must be run by someone. So I don't want I there. So I changed the command to something else. So let's look down here. Oh, I haven't blocked this thing. So let's look down. Look at down here what I wrote. I wrote WhatsApp. Yeah, make a change. So WhatsApp. Yeah, make a change there. WhatsApp. Yeah, make a change. WhatsApp. That is the command you give it. Okay, so guys, get ready to become your own masters. Okay, so we end over here. We just have a fun with some view. So they make these things over here. This one are all GUI, that is graphic user interfaces, you know. So have a good night, and sometimes we have to relax the brain.